The Coach Juno is a structured shoulder bag made of buttery soft glove tanned leather. Handbag features a detachable short strap and a detachable long strap, so you can wear it as a top handle, a shoulder bag, or a crossbody bag. Coach Juno has a flap top with a push lock closure, and an interior with one snap slip pocket. Users like that the Juno bag is the perfect size for a phone, wallet, keys, and a couple of small cosmetic items, and it is easy to open with one hand. The Coach Juno bag comes in a variety of colors, including black, vivid pink and other colors. The price is $350. A see and be seen bag, Juno adds instant sophistication to any look with its structured silhouette.